Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating a fresh canvas. Open Draw Things and tap the plus button. Choose your canvas size and background so composition decisions happen early. Once set, enable layers and pick a brush preset. This prevents rework later. Make sure to name the file now so autosave attaches correctly. You'll also want to set canvas orientation and quick gestures. These small choices speed everything up and let you start sketching immediately without stopping to reconfigure settings. You next block in major shapes on the base layer to define composition and proportions. Once done, create new layers for midtones, highlights, and line work so edits stay non-destructive. Use selection and transform tools to reposition or scale elements. Blending modes help unify color and light. Make sure to tweak opacity and pressure curves for natural strokes and swap to custom brushes for texture. Keep saving incremental versions so you can revert easily if a change doesn't work out. You finish by checking edges, cleaning stray pixels, and selectively flattening only finished groups so you keep editable layers where needed. Once satisfied, choose Export and pick PNG for web, JPEG for smaller files, or layered PSD for further editing. Make sure to name the file version and confirm resolution settings before export. If export stalls, check app permissions and available storage. Clearing cache or restarting the app usually resolves stuck exports, then retry to complete the save.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.